Hello all, we are learning the various library blocks of Matlab Simulink. Still now we have finished the discontinuities. Now we will learn with the discrete library blocks. Okay, so first we will start with the delay. So the delay block output, the input of the block after a delay, the block determines the delay time based on the value of the delay length parameter. The block supports like the following things: list of things, variable delay length, specification of the initial condition from an input port, state storage, and like using a circular buffer instead of an array buffer of state storage, resetting the state to the initial condition with external reset signals, and last one is controlling execution of the block at the every time step with an external enable signals. Okay, so the initial block output depends on several factors such as initial condition parameter and the simulation start time. Okay, so that delay block is having like initial condition triggering, show the enable port and determine the block execution controlled by the like signals and all this thing. Okay, so here you can see I have connected this sine wave and delayed input sine wave, and I'm seeing the output of that on this scope. Okay, so what I'll observe here, you can see here. Okay, I'm opening the scope. Okay, fine. If you which wave is sine wave and which wave is delayed wave, if you want to see which color, then come on a view, select on legend. Now you can see on a legend here the sine wave, and this is a delay. Blue line is delay and yellow one is sine. So you can see our sine wave is delayed by zero point 0.2 sampled. Okay, zero point 0.2 sampled. So for the delay with some length, we can use this sample delay. Okay, if I'm coming here, if I am changing the delay length value to the 4, apply. Okay, and now I am simulating this. Now you can see in this graph, this delay length is increased to zero point 0.4. Previous it was 0.2, it is starting from here somewhere, now it is starting with here. If I am increasing this delay length to now 5, or like I am making a delay length to 10. So you can see it here now how it will start this graph. Now the graph will start from here. If again I am adding 5, then graph will start it from here. So in that way, this delay is working with the length. First, this is a normal sine wave and this is a delayed sine wave. After 2 samples, it is going to start. Okay, so this is a delay block. Okay, now we will learn about the unit delay block. So everyone will be having this curiosity. Everyone heard about it, I think so. The unit delay block. So unit delay definition is like a sample and hold with sample period of the delay, where initial condition is always 0. So which is a unit delay block? So this is the unit delay block, where you can see 1 by z is written on this block name. Okay. So here are the sample and hold with one sample period of the delay. It works in that way. Here the initial condition is 0, that sampling like element in a channel, and your sample time is -1. So various things will be here, will occur. How it will work, I'll show you. Even we know when we will get the algebraic loop error, that condition also I want to show to you. So here you can see I have directly connecting input to the output. So at that time I'll get the algebraic loop error or warning. You can see here I have simulated, I got the error where algebraic loop will be involved. This equation will not be solved directly without the unity, because at the same sample both things will not be compared. Here you can see I use the relational operator and one as a constant here. Okay, I'm using unity here. Okay, and to take this I'm using control R. I'm connecting here unit delay block. Okay, this is my unit delay block for your understanding. Okay, so here you can see now, man, new input is 1, previous input nothing will be here now. So first sample you can just remain it. Nothing will be going to be in output, it's 0 only. But in next sample, the output should be 1. Okay, that previous is equal to latest. Okay, I am simulating the model. Yeah, in that way it will work. So here, what I'll be doing if I am changing this. Now previously it was 1. I am applying here 5 and okay, I'm simulating the model. So what's my, you can see here, it changes. This comparator will not work here, but I'll show you with some add example as well here. You can add up, which makes some sense with infinite loop IR. Okay. Let's call it store here and deleting this display, connecting the scope here. So with this also we can see now this is my infinite loop counter. It is starting with 5 and adding continuously +1 +1 +1 +1. In that way it will work. Okay. Now model is simulated mine. We can see it is starting with 5. Initially jumps with 5. Again it is add with 5, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. It is going in that. If I am changing this constant to the 1, apply and okay. So how it is working, if you want to see in a stepwise and sample wise, so just give me a second, I show you. Hit Ctrl S first, save this model first, then come in here, selecting the signal. You will see the values on this signal. Here we already have studied this port values options. I think everyone remembered this port value option. Information overlays also you will get the same. Okay, here not yet data, no data yet present. Okay, so here also I am selecting this, then again I'm selecting this here. Okay, and input should be my same value. Okay, so what I will do, I will not run this complete simulation, I will run this simulation in a stepwise. So I will run the first step, and instead of this display, okay, first I will make it run complete. No, instead of this scope I will add the display to show. Now you can see here in this display we have one and all this thing. Okay, now I will run first step. So at first here is 1, input is 1, output is 1, and here unit delay content doesn't, nothing is here. It's initially 0. Now at 1 is came here. Okay, if in next step I am coming, you can see here. Now whatever the previous one output was here, now it's came here 1 as well. And this input 1, now it's become a 1. Now this 2 should be stored here, and this 1 should be added with this. So you can see in display as well. Okay, here. Now that 2 is came here and 3 is here. So in next step it will become a 3, it is become a 4. In that way it will work till the stop time. So I made that continued and finished it. So that's all about the delay block and unit delay block.